Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by launching Word and signing in so autosave works. This prevents lost work. Once signed in, check for updates to avoid odd behavior. Next, pick a template or blank document and set page size and margins. This saves rework. Create a file name and save to OneDrive or locally. Make sure autosave is on when using cloud storage because it continuously versions your file. Now you're ready to enter content and organize the file structure for the rest of the process. Now focus on building structure and clarity. Use styles for heading 1, heading 2, and normal so formatting stays consistent and you can insert a table of contents automatically. When adding images or tables, use wrap text and proper captions to keep layout stable. Use insert reference for citations and a bibliography if needed. For collaboration, enable track changes and add comments so edits are visible. Once done, accept or reject changes. Keyboard shortcuts like Ctrl+B and Ctrl+S speed you up significantly. Finish by saving a final copy and exporting to PDF via File Save As. This preserves layout. Use Print Preview to confirm page breaks, orientation, and margins before printing. Share directly from Word with a link or attach the file to email if needed. If something goes wrong, Word crashes, features missing, or templates corrupt, first disable add-ins and restart Word. If that fails, run Office Repair from Control Panel or reinstall. This usually fixes corrupted components. Keep backups and version history to recover earlier drafts.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.